So this question is count largest group. So you're given the integer n, and then you want to return a number for groups that have the larger size. So yeah, let's look at this. So what you have is you want to find out the sum of each digit. So for this one, you have 1, 2, 3, and all the way 9, right? So this is only length of 1, and then 10, 11, 12, and 13. So if you split this equal to 1, 0, you say 1 plus 0. This is going to be equal to 1. So this is why you need to group the 10 with the 1. And back to the next digit, 11. You want to split 1 and 1, so you plus together, it's going to be 2. So you group 2 and 11, and it will be the same idea for 12. It will be 3. So you want to group 3 and 12. This will be 4. So you want to group 4 and 13, right? So in this return value, you want to return the number of a group that have a larger size. So we look at the size. All right, so the first thing is we definitely need to know how to find out the split, right? So again, you need to have a map that is storing the current sum and also the size of the group, right? So let's look at this. So let me have a DP that initialize to n plus 1, including the index 0, and also the hash map integer and integer. So what you need to do is you want to traverse from 1 all the way to the n. Okay, so DPI is going to be represent the current value. The current value is going to be what, I mod by 10 plus the DP I divided by 10. So what does this mean? Imagine that this is 11. Imagine I is 11. So DPA 11 is going to be 11 mod by 10 is 1 plus DP 11 divided by 10 is going to be what? 1, right? DP 1. So what does this referring to? DP1, what is DP1? So imagine DP I equal to 1. 1 mod by 10 is 1. 1 divided by 10 is 0. So DP0 is what? Is 0. So we can ignore this. So DP1 equal to 1, which is going to be what? DP11 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this is size of 2. So once we have this, and then we can store into the hash map, put the DPI. So if I didn't initialize this, just using get or default, the DPI comma 0 plus 1. So it's a frequency, right? Cool. So let's look at this. So we need to traverse the, basically the map, and then to find out the size, right? So I have a result. The result is going to represent the size of the group, right? And also the max frequency. So in key, and then the mat.key set. So I will have to say if mat get key. So this is represent how many size for the current value, and if this is greater than the max value, so max frequency, I'm going to say, oh, I'm storing this. So I'm reset the max frequency equal to map.get key, and I'm going to say, oh, this is the first larger size of the group, and then if I have the same frequency, I'm going to just increment my result. I'll return result. So cool. Alright, time and space. Space is this, all of n. N represent n. And time is all of n. This is all of k. So all of k definitely less than all of n. So the worst is all of n for the time. Space is also all of n. So this will be a solution. And I'll see you later. Bye.